It is done. Good. All right, so so the first thing is to deposit, and this is just for purpose of training. Okay, so but then the minimum required actually to really make impact is from $200 above $200. So minimum of $201. But for this purpose, I'm just trying to show you what to do. So I'm going to just send $10. So I went to deposit, selected Matic. Hope you guys are following. Some people now ask me, how do I deposit? I'm like, where were you? So anywhere on your dashboard, you can see deposit. From the main dashboard, you can see deposit. If you go to wallet, you can see deposit. So click on deposit, anywhere you see deposit. Okay, then a search, they say, please enter keywords. So search Matic. That's not, you must not search Matic on your own. Any coin you have to deposit. Mine is Matic, so I select Matic. Then you need to know what blockchain is it on. The one I'm sending from Polygon blockchain, so I select Polygon network, copy my address. Then go to where you have the coin, whether Binance, Trust Wallet, anywhere. So this is where I have my own Matic. Okay. So I'm going to send it from here. I'm going to send $10 worth of Matic. Okay. So 12 Matic I'm sending now. It's actually worth $10. Okay. So of course, you know, it's going to take a while before this is going to reflect. It's going to take a while. So we'll have to be talking about something else while we wait for it. I think there are people, let me see what's in the chat. Wow, somebody's asking me if this is Hotbit platform. Glory to God. Well, it's not Hotbit.
Didn't mean Pastor.
I didn't know you are in. Welcome.
Pastor.
It's COINX, yes.
Pastor, I can't sleep. I saw someone that has made $200,000 from this coin.
Yeah. That's a lot of people. You guys are withdrawing $50,000, $100,000 live. Okay, so and this thing is still pumping in spite of those volumes. So you can imagine that means the coin is going to $100. Okay, so guys, now we have is ETX. Those of you who have not yet signed up, please collect the link and sign up. Collect the link from whoever invited you here. Just chat them now as you did this meeting. Chat them, say, send me the link. Send me the link. And please, if you are signed up, keep sharing the link. They are still dashing this money. Very soon now, because I'm sure there's an amount allocated for it. Once that amount is exhausted, maybe it could be 20% of their supply, 10%. I don't know where that information is, but that is how it's always done. So whatever amount that is allocated for this is already depleting. So get your share. Like somebody said that if you don't wake up, somebody else go collect your money. so get in the game and collect. So let me check if my deposit has arrived. So chat somebody up to get that link fast and sign up and start off with everyone. If you already have it and you have not shared it to anybody because you don't like sharing, I beg share this one. Like to share this one. Okay, the person is not spending any money. Tell the person, go ahead and sign up. And let the person be the one asking you, I've gotten 5 coins now at $30. How much? Maybe $150, right? Yes, 5 coins at $30 is $150 one day. Who go see $150 no go ask you question? Eh? So, and let's say it goes to $50, 5 coins, it will be $250, So the person will ask you, please, how do I collect that money? You tell the person to deposit at least $201 and start. Let's start from there. The journey has begun. So, my dear, no dumb moment. Okay. No problem. Blessing, I'll send it to you. So, guys, let me get my link to somebody because I want us all to follow up. It's like Matic, you're welcome.
Pastor, make sure you use my link, oh.
Good morning, sir. Okay. All right, so I'm going to check now whether our Matic has arrived. Matic usually takes some time. Okay, Blessing Godwin, I sent it to you on WhatsApp, but let me also send it to you privately here. So it should be easier for you. All right. Okay. So let me share my screen again and let's go check if that deposit has arrived. Okay, they normally send email safe. Normally send email if it arrives. I'll get an email from them. Okay, you can see the email has come. Super X successful deposit. 12 Matic is there, so it has arrived. So good one. Go to trade. And I click on search, type Matic. Okay. Click on sell. Selling at the selling price, yeah. But we'll make so much profit. But let me sell it at buying price so that we can make progress. Okay. That will be okay. So I've sold it. I had $1 there. That $1 is from referral commission. Somebody traded. So this platform, then they get some sense. They have some innovations. Okay. So now I have my $11 here now. So I click on transfer, right? Move it from spots to futures, right? Sorry? So this is it. Move it from spots to futures, confirm transfer. So I have it here now on my futures account. All right. So you have different pairs here. So you go to futures. I'm showing you now how to do the trade. Though. You go to futures. Then at the top, let me show you. You see this place here where I'm covering now. There's one arrow there. You click on it to see the chart. Use the shortest time frame. Okay, so this is not a good place to enter this market. Okay, but then, right, because it was when you enter a futures this thing and there is a trend. Watch the trend from here. It was an upward trend. before this reversal candle formed now. It was just a long, okay? When you see something coming, forming a trend from here going down like this, it's a short. So right now, a trend has not been formed, so it's not a good time to enter this market because this is a reversal candle, but there could be a pullback to go up again. It doesn't have a direction yet. So you need to watch it for the next candle to form. If you have a higher high, that means, of course, it is going up again. But if it forms a lower low, what's a lower low? If it forms another red candle lower than the one it has already formed, it means a trend is being formed. From the third one, you can enter a sell. All right? So, gotta watch it a little. Because if I don't give you this fundamental and they say trade future so that you go unlock your coin. Okay, no problem. You go trade future, unlock your coin, but the money goes. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. So let's watch it a bit. You can see that it doesn't have a direction right now. You are seeing what is happening. It's doing 320, 319, 321, 318. So it's directionless. I wish it would form a trend now. But let's go. Somebody is talking. What is breaking? Okay, I don't know who was talking anyway. I hope I'm not the one breaking like this too. Guys, can you hear me?
Very well, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, so it's important that you know how to watch this thing. Of course, I've shown you where to check it out.
Yes,
you can see.
Carry on, it's clear.
Okay, so you can see that it doesn't have a direction right now. So it's not really a good place to enter. So it's so bad that, well, it's not bad. Everything is all good. But it's just that we entered this lecture at a time when it has peaked and is in a decision moment, whether it will break the roof or reverse down. So we're watching it. You can see that if you enter this trade, if we had entered this trade, my $10 for don't come out by now. If I had gone the wrong direction, because this movement you're seeing from 20 to 30, 30 to 12 that is happening here now is enough to wipe some serious money with 150%, 50 leverage. Okay, so let's try to do something. Okay, let's go to. This is supposed to be a bullish trend anyway. Supposed to be a bullish trend. So let's watch let's go back. Let's go back. All right, so this is where we are. Now, there are two ways to enter the market. This place where you are seeing market here where you are seeing market, okay? If you click on it, you will see limit, you see market, you see stop, and all of that. For beginners, I think the best way is to use market, okay? You can also use limits, but using market means you enter the market straight at market price, okay? And then your decision begins to speak immediately. If your decision was wrong, you start losing immediately. If your decision was right, you start making money immediately. So that's why watching the direction of the trend is very important to your entry point. So if you speculate that it's going to go up from where it is, then you open a long position, open long. If you speculate that it's going to go down from where it is, then you open a short position. Simple as that. So I'm not going to be talking about setting stop loss and all of that right now. That will be for another day. But I'm just sharing with us how you can actually enter into into a futures trade position. And I don't know their swap here, that is how much they charge per trade, but I think it might be high. I don't really know. I know I've traded futures here when I was trying to unlock my first ET so that I can experience it, at least make a test and see how it tastes. So I traded futures, unlocked, but I think 1 point something, I sold it, and I for leave am see me now. It's not $30 something for sellout now. Okay, but I just wanted to have a feel of it, and I did. So let's say, and this is, you see where they say 150, you click on it, you can do as little as 5x. Okay, you can do 30x to manage your risk. You can kukuma do the 150. Something must kill a man. Oh my God. And then you celebrate whatever the outcome becomes for you. So that is that. So let's say I use 150 and I use market order, right? And I put half of my money and I go long, all right? So I've gone long, and you can see, if I want to run out of the market, I just click on close, all right? You can close the trade. So the risk you can see is very high. So this trade, I can get liquidated if the market falls. You must always watch the liquidation amount. I'll get liquidated at $20,125. If the price of Bitcoin hits $20,125, this account will be wiped. All right. And you can see I'm almost losing $1 already. So the loss is at 13%. Okay, it's reducing. So I've just shown you how to engage the, what do you call it now? How to trade futures on this platform, and how to get a good entry point too. I think I've done justice to that. And the truth is that you can actually make money while you are doing this. Seriously, you can make money while you are doing this. You're actually trying to unlock your coin. But if you are very cautious and you follow the instructions I've given to you, guy, you can be doing this, unlocking your coin, still making extra money. See, I don't enter profit. All right. So I can come out of this trade now if I want. So I click on close, and then I say close. I've closed the trade. I'm out of that trade. So I've traded successfully. Okay, to the glory of God.
How much profit have you made, sir, so far?
From that trade?
Yes,
that
sir.
trade, I didn't trade that trade to make profit, but at least I made some sense. But the truth is this. The truth is this. You don't want to lose money because you're trying to unlock money. All right. So that's why I'm giving very detailed information. Okay, so I'm not looking at how much I made, but I know it was about 20 cents or so that I saw there before I closed it. Before I closed the trade. So guys, I want this to be as brief as possible. So let me go back again and watch it. You can see that I did well to come out because I would have lost what I made. You can see it's retracing again. All right.
Pastor, but you can trade a smaller coin now. The BTC volatility is much. So I think for the newbies, for the interest of the newbies, they don't need to go to BTC.
The thing is this, BTC is more stable. Some of the smaller coins, when they want to move, you will not be happy. Okay, so that's why I prefer using BTC, because you can see for me to be liquidated on that trade, BTC had to fall to 20,100, which of course I will not be watching the thing hit that, and at least I will close out with $5, at least half of the money I put into that trade. But for the other smaller coins, one small, if they move once, so that's why I prefer using a Bitcoin for this. So, but you can actually use any other coin of your choice if you are sure of the stability. Stability of a coin is very important, so that a coin does not move too fast. It's very important. Volatility on Bitcoin is very high, but the volatility is not moving massive amounts. It's just, if you can see, it's not falling below $300 since it is falling here. It's 20,300 and 20,300, and that's just all the up and down that is happening here. It's just the between 10 to 30, 40 that is moving, which is very minimal in terms of volume. So, but when you say you throw Solana now, and let's say Solana is $20 and it moves and like $3 come out, that's more than 10% of that coin. All right. So the impact will be heavy. But $10 going out of Bitcoin is insignificant in terms of the percentage of the total amount of the coin you are trading. So that's the reason why we are using this. Okay, so then also let's check another coin and see something like, I will not trade another coin, but let me just show.
Oh, good evening. Can I ask a question?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. For us who are the newbies, how do we, for example, someone has a TRC20 in Binance and you want to move it to this super exchange, how do we do it?
Okay, very simple. Please click on your wallet. Click on sports, click on deposit. Then USDT or Tron, whatever, just click on USDT, right? Then you can see the three networks that are there. Select here, Tron. Then copy your address, go withdraw it from Binance to this address, and it will arrive here. That's all. I hope that's clear enough.
All right, thank you.
Okay, so guys, I was trying to show another coin. Sometimes the other coins leverage might not be as high as Bitcoin also. That's another thing you need to know. Okay, let's try Matic, for example. Okay, these guys are mad, dude. They leave the leverage there. So that means they leave this. Wow, no wonder people are rushing this platform. Mad, dude. I will settle down on futures. I've told myself I will study futures. Every video of any profession, I will watch them. I will trade futures on this platform. Wow. Okay, so guys, this is it. And I think it's a good takeoff for anyone who is ready to unlock their tokens and do something. You can see I've unlocked 0.05. You can see that. All right, 0.05 has been unlocked. So imagine if I trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Of course, I'm going to trade that money. I will go trade them. Me and them today. But later I will deposit and do a better trade of using at least $200, and let's see how it's going to go. So guys, any other questions, please? I'm open to questions, and let me see those in the chat.
Good evening, Pastor.
Yeah, welcome, sir.
Please, you transferred Matic to your account. I didn't really get how you now traded BTC. You had BTC there before, or did you swap the Matic to BTC?
I sold it for BTC. Actually, showed when I sold it. I sold it, yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so you're encouraging us to try with BTC, not with Matic.
No, it doesn't really matter, but I encourage to use BTC because it's in terms of volume movement, it's more stable. Okay, with my experience trading futures, okay, little movement on other coins has a lot of impact on your capital. But movement on Bitcoin, even when it's a bigger movement, it takes some more time. But remember, I showed you how to look out for your liquidation price. Avoid it. If it's going there, it's better you close out that trade with some money. All right, because if you wait till you're liquidated, that the whole money transferred to that wallet, that futures account will be wiped, liquidated. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying.
Yes, yes, I do.
When you have made a wrong decision, accept your fault and try again. Okay, instead of waiting and hoping that it will come, and you know that your liquidation price is $30,000, $20,000, and it's already at 20,100, 20,050. Open come out there, you know. So that's very important. So once you have when you engage a trade, a futures trade, first thing is to look at your entry point, the market price, and then the liquidation price. Those three prices will be displayed there at that place where I was showing you guys the liquidation prices. So from there,
okay, if you could show the screen again, is it I saw the liquidation price, the down, but is it the middle one you compare it with? No, there are terms of prices, red, green.
Let me share my screen and go back to that page. Okay, so when you enter a trade, okay, let me go back to the Bitcoin. Okay, so I decide to first I enter a short. I enter a short position. You can see down here, right? My liquidation price is 20,584.
Mm-hmm.
Then the market price, the current price, all right? Current market price is 20,362. My entry price is 20,353. All right. So my own is to avoid the liquidation price by all means possible, to make sure I don't market and get liquidated.
Pastor, what about the risk? You explain the risk.
The risk is what I'm explaining now. That's what I'm explaining now. The liquidation, you risk being liquidated. So, like I'm closing this, all right? I'm closing this.
Are you closing in profit or loss?
This is not profit, it's loss. You see the loss there now, 11%, which is actually 53 cents. It's down, it's going down. Let me wait more. Because I didn't do any analysis, I just entered because it was high. It's coming down, so. But you can see that the market is not stable. So I get out, I've closed it, right? So, and that's what you should do. When you enter the market and you're not sure if you made the right decision or not, you think it's wrong, okay, and the market is likely to go against you, just get out of the market and take some time. Watch the market a little bit more, watch it more before you get in and know if you're going to be profitable. So but you can see, you can also reduce the leverage so that, all right, the leverage is what costs your money and charges. Every time you open a trade and close a trade, there is swap, there's charge. And that is a charge that is real deal. That's why these guys are interested in trading the future, so that they are also getting something as we are doing whatever we are doing. All right, so it's very important. So once you are able to assess the market very well before you enter, then there's possibility of you minimizing your risk. I would have made a lot of money. It's bound down to 330 something, 23, 30 something if I have left it. So that's very important. That's very important. So please, any further questions? Yeah, go ahead. I can't hear you. Your voice needs to be louder.
I said, sorry, it's not been long I joined the show.
Can you type it in? I didn't hear what you said. So you can type it your question in the chat box. I think I will see.
It's not been long I joined the Zoom meeting.
Okay, you just joined the Zoom meeting.
Yeah, I joined. Well, I just wanted to understand some points. And can you, if you can help me refresh from the starting?
Are you being serious? Well, I'm not going to go back to what I've already said. What will happen is I'm actually recording this on YouTube, so you have to go watch the YouTube video. All right. Okay. Yeah. So, guys, I think this is where we'll leave it for now. I like our meetings to be just 1 hour so that we can do other things, or maybe probably attend other meetings. Of course, you know, we have a lot going. This is just one of the things we're doing. So guys, thank every one of you who came for this meeting, and I hope you have gained some value. And those of you watching on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel because more videos are coming. And I'll leave a link to sign up on SuperX in the video description. Thank you, everybody. God bless you. Okay, let me even get the link to this on a. Let me get the link and share to those of you who are here, those who want to watch it who want to watch the replay on YouTube. Let me share the link because before I will get the link, it will be tomorrow, but I can get it now while we are still live. So for the guy who just asked the question, here it is. You and anybody who want to rewatch it on YouTube, that's the YouTube link, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. So Nicholas, I hope you saw that I just posted.
Okay, I've seen it.
Copy it because
thank you.
I'm out of the meeting now, and that will not be available as I log out. All right. Okay, for the UNICOIN, I have to send you a link to sign up as an ambassador. Then that's what you're going to use to refer. So, searching ways, I'll do that. I'll send the information to you to get a referral link. I'll send that to you. So, please, anybody have another question? Go ahead and ask now before I get out of here. It's already 10 o'clock. Oh, we're done, guys.
Good evening, Pastor. Nenna here.
Okay, yeah, Nenna. Welcome.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. I haven't gotten email yet. I've written support, but I don't have any response yet.
Are you talking about UNICOIN?
Yes, sir.
I think it's the mistake you feel that thing you feel. I think is the issue. The place for profession, what you should feeling there should be marketing. That will get their attention because they are looking for marketers. They want their coin to go viral. It's a big project. Wozniak is the founder of Apple, co-founder of Apple, and he's the So one of the top co-founders of that project. The project is already true, and the least you can buy for the pre-sale is $5,000. And the second top co-founder is the former treasurer of the United States. So it's having a lot of big names and big backers and big funds in it. Okay, let me see if I can log into my account in the, just a minute.
So do you suggest I redo the registration?
Maybe you have to, maybe use another email or something, you know.
Okay, I'll try that.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Pastor, please, I registered for the UNICOIN, but I didn't see any referral link. Do I have to pay or purchase before I get the link?
Yeah, I'm going to send you. Is it John Moses that is talking?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll send you information for that.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, let me share some of you guys. The unicorn, we have what's called the unicorn hunters. Okay, they fund blue chip projects they believe is going to be $1 billion market cap. They fund them. These are some of the projects on their list. Okay, these are some of the projects on their list. Even they are the one that funded SpaceX. You can see it. Okay. SpaceX was funded by the unicorn community. That is one of the biggest companies in the world. And at that time, the funding they gave was $74 million for that project. Then current project that they are pursuing now, look at them here, they have the Magic. The goal is to raise $5 million and they've raised $1.07 million. UNICOIN is number 2. The goal is to raise $300 million for it. They've already raised $30 million. Genopro DX, $20 million, they've raised $6 million. Vast Minds, $10 million, they've raised 0. Grocery Shopee. These are projects that they believe will be multi-billion-dollar company. MyMe has already hit its goal. So these are part of these are crazy guys here, man. Okay, so it's another good airdrop we believe is going to do very well. Yeah. Okay, so 2 persons asked for the link.
Pastor. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Yes, sir. Please, I need a link for that unicorn so that I can get onboarded.
Okay, what I will do, let me just paste it here. Let everybody who is here, who need it, get it. I know. So I would not have to send to anybody individually again. So there is that link. So as soon as I post it, please copy the whole information to your own WhatsApp or your email, anywhere you can keep it, so that you can access it from there. But make sure you've already gotten first. Listen, this is very important. Even Nana, you that want to do again, make sure you first use my code to get the coin, because you must, if you are not yet participant, they might not approve your request to be an ambassador. So first use my code on that new email, get the coin. I hope you understand what I'm saying, guys. You must have gotten your certificate of 100 coins before you now use this link to apply for the ambassadorship. All right. If you have any place you don't understand, you can send a screenshot or send me a question on WhatsApp. But please don't go ahead without getting.
link to your social channel. So which